Good afternoon. This is Emma. Today I'm going to come and show you the dead trees are all up and now the mulch is down. The dead trees are all gone. Now what I'll do is I'll go back in and put in the landscape lights. But I just wanted to come on and show you since we pulled the trees up with the mulch. And my husband did use the black mulch, which I like it better. There's the new little tree and all the new bushes. Some of these had a couple of dead spots in them, but he feels like they'll come back. And that's a new yucca. Up there you see a new rose bush. And here's a new yucca also. A couple of the smaller trees, as you see in the background, are coming back. The yucca right here is coming back. And those two trees you see up there are new. We have a couple of new bushes here. And there's another new tree up there in the corner. As you go around here on the side, I think this one's new. It's beautiful. I love it. I think these here are ones we had, and they are coming back. So is that tree. As you can see, all of my other plants that are under the deck are now beginning to bloom, which is great because that surrounds all the way around. And as we move over to this side here, this tree, thank God, did not die. It's slowly coming back. And so are the plants. So, at least we got all the mulch down. And what I'll do, I'll wait before I go in and plant actual plants, because from what I understand, we're gonna get another freeze. So there's no need of me doing any potted plants, and we're gonna get another freeze. But I did want to come on and show you what we have done here so far. So the trees are in. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this short video. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video.